Hello and happy Halloween to everybody. This is Ruth here, and today I'm bringing you a quick tip for playing in a spooky Halloween style. This is to do with how to introduce your spooky Halloween songs, especially if we are starting the song on a minor chord.
First I was afraid, I was petrified, kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. And then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. And I grew strong, and I knew how to get along. Okay, so we're going to learn that first introductory chord into the song, because it's very spooky for Halloween, and to do that we're playing a diminished 7. So how to get a diminished 7 is we're counting from the bottom note, 2 keys in between each note. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? Then we're going to the minor chord that is immediately, the root note is above, just 1 key above that bottom note. So you notice all of these keys here are between the keys of the diminished 7th chord. That's why it sounds so good. So if you've got any song that you're starting in a minor key for Halloween, say if we were playing in A minor, then to get the diminished introduction chord, all you need to do is go down 1 key and then count, remember, 2 keys between each note. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So for this chord, for this song that's in A minor, we just cross over our hands for an arpeggio and then play the minor chord. So that's our spooky Halloween introduction.